We like to think technology is totally neutral, right? Just pure cold logic. But what if I told you there's a ghost haunting our modern systems? A ghost born from a very human place, our own bias. And our investigation begins now. Our investigation kicks off with this one really baffling clue. You've got these top-of-the-line security systems that seem to fail again and again, but only for specific groups of people. Now, what's so interesting is that this isn't some random glitch. Nope, this is a pattern, a mystery we need to solve by following the digital breadcrumbs coded right into the system itself. So here's the crucial point, the big reveal. The machine isn't born biased. It's not like it comes out of the box with these flaws. It actually learns. And who does it learn from? Us. So the number one piece of evidence in this whole case? It's the data we feed it. That's where the story really begins. Okay, think of it like this. Imagine you're training an AI detective to recognize faces. In a perfect world, you'd show it this beautifully diverse lineup, right? All kinds of people. But what happens in reality? Well, a lot of the time, the training album it gets is just not diverse. It's packed with, say, lighter-skinned male faces. So an AI that's been fed this unbalanced diet of data is, of course, going to be way better at identifying the faces it's seen the most. It just makes sense. And this chart, wow, it just brilliantly illustrates the results. I mean, get this, a landmark study found error rates of over 20% for dark-skinned women. Now compare that to less than 1% for light-skinned men. That's not a tiny margin of error, folks. That is a massive systemic failure. And this isn't just some tech problem that stays inside the computer. Oh no, these errors spill out into the real world, creating a kind of digital crime scene with very human victims. We're talking about chilling consequences, like innocent people getting wrongfully arrested from a false match, or predictive policing systems that send more officers into certain neighborhoods, creating this terrifying feedback loop. The bias doesn't just continue, it gets automated and amplified. So when you get right down to it, the real monster in this story isn't the technology itself. It's a reflection of our own society's historical biases, now given a new, powerful, and dangerously efficient digital life. The ghost in the machine? It's us. So as our cities get smarter and we rely more and more on AI to govern our lives, we have to ask this question. We've got to demand transparency and accountability, because if we don't, the ghosts of our past will literally become the architects of our future. Binge on our playlist on a watch marathon to become a cybersecurity expert. Subscribe to this channel, like and share this video with someone you deeply care about to have a foolproof cyber defense.